You're good.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a great day to be a Bronco. I am here this morning with your morning announcements as Principal Diaz, recording live from my living room. I've got my little cookie monster right here. This is Mila, she's 2. And Lucy Bear, that is my second grader. She is going to go and do her NTI homework that she has from Liberty. I love you. Go do your schoolwork. And I am going to continue to share the morning announcements with you guys. We are all living in a different universe, a new universe, where we have to make adjustments and we have to continue to try to be the very best version of ourselves that we can. So, with no further ado, Cookie Monster, go get some cookies. I just want to reiterate that we are in NTI and we have the ability to provide tutoring through ESS. I shared the link with you guys yesterday. It's on the FDHS website. You hit NTI and then you go down and you can get your ESS tutoring. You can get support and help from teachers. I also want to remind you that we have Saturday school. Saturday school is available for everyone. Oh, my Cookie Monster is back. Saturday school is available for everyone, and you can get extra help on the assignments that you need help in. I've seen several emails and several social media posts from individuals that are like, man, I'm really struggling. I'm really struggling. I can't talk to my teacher face to face. And because of that, my grades are hurting. Guys, we have those capabilities because we issued Chromebooks. We have those capabilities because you have the Saturday school and the ESS where you can virtually chat with your teachers. Last notice, this is the last notice. It's the Kincaid Scholarship. You got to make sure you get your paperwork turned in. It is a B day. We're almost there. We're almost to the end of the week. And I just want to remind you guys, man, stay positive. Stay positive, show maximum energy, maximum effort, maximum efficiency. Really make that push to be extraordinary because it's very easy right now to sit on the couch. It would be very easy for me to grab my little cookie monster and just play all day and snuggle all day. But I want to be the best version of me, the best possible principal that I can be for you. So I need you to meet us halfway. A lot of our teachers are working very hard doing that instructional core thing, really trying to provide the level of support that you need. Be on the lookout. We're sending parent communication homes. We had SPDM meetings and we have some updates that I am sharing with you on your email. So please pay attention to your student email account. That is the main form of communication that we want to use at this time. I have no more um, announcements for you today. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.
In these stressful times, the best thing for your mental health is to interact with some other people. If you would like to meet with some friends or family members, here's how you can see them in real life while minimizing the risk of spreading the disease. When meeting with others, make sure to stay at least 6 feet apart at all times. Do not let yourselves get closer than 6 feet within each other. Now that we are seeing each other in real life while maintaining social distancing, make sure to wear protective masks if you have them on hand to prevent spreading the disease to others through the air. Lastly, remember that even with all of these precautionary measures, the risk of spreading is still present. It is still best to not do this frequently. Remember, quarantine yourself, go out in public at your own discretion, and stay clean.
Hey Broncos! Have you read all the books in your house yet? Are you looking for something new to read? And are you really not sure where to find that? Well, have I got a deal for you. By simply going to the library website, you have multiple options to find great new books. You can always live chat with me by clicking on the live library resource chat, Or if you go into books, ebooks, and audiobooks, you have multiple tools at your fingertips, including our brand new, never before seen FDHS Digital Lit Fix. All you have to do is take a few minutes, put in your student email address, name, and answer a few simple questions, and I will choose a book that I think will be perfect for you from the library's collection of ebooks and audiobooks. I look forward to seeing how I can make the perfect lit fix for you.